Hi all, welcome to another video of Trade Plus. Let's review the last day of trading. That means Friday's suggestion review, and after that we can go for some suggestion for tomorrow also. Okay, let's go for the last day. That means Friday's suggestion I have given in my channel last day. Okay. Before reviewing, if anyone want Upstock Demat account, go through my description or the first comment. I have given the link of Upstock. Use that link and open Demat account. And for support, I also give my Telegram channel link in second comment. Okay, join if you interested. Thank you. Let's review the last day suggestions. The first one is Muthoot Finance. The given level was 1245 above. Okay, the call activated and also we get above 20 points before closing the trading session, and that was a good call, and I expect you all take this call. Second one was HDFC. The level was 2121, and that the level break, and almost we got 20 plus point in that HDFC also, and I expect you all take this call. Third one is Bharti Airtel. Airtel not break our level. Our level was 460, but the trend line break can give about 7 point, and if anyone take that call, it's also good. And our level was 460 and buy side. Okay. Last one was UPL. UPL break our level 420 and almost get 7 plus point. That also was a good trade, and I expect all you take these three calls, so at least one, and expect you get all good profit also. Thank you, and we can go for next day sessions. Let's see some stock for tomorrow. The first one is ICICI Bank. We can go for a buy side at ICICI Bank at 447 above. We can go for a buy side. Before activation, that trend line break, avoid this suggestion. Okay. Above we can go for above 447. We can go for a buy side. Okay. Next one is Glenmark. Above 515, we can go for a buy side. We can go for a buy side at that level, and also note 505. 505 we can go for a short side also. Okay. Last one is Grasim. At the point 788, we can go for a short side. Also watch the trend line, that breaking of that trend line we can go for a buy side also. So if that break 788, we can go for a short side, or if break that trend line, you can go for a buy side in that point. Okay. These are the calls for tomorrow session. Before taking these levels, please consult your financial advisor, and after only that you take these calls. Okay. And and again, if anyone want to open up stocks Demat account, please go through my description or first comment. I have given that link in my description and the first comment. Also, if anyone want in support, join my channel. I also give that my Telegram channel below that comment section. Okay, thank you. Have a good trade tomorrow, and please note that the US election is almost finished. So first watch how market react with that American presidential election. Okay, have a good trade tomorrow. Thank you all.